Recently, this company called Woomer Art has sent me a 72 color pencil set for me to try. They're inspired to produce high-quality art supplies at affordable pricing. You can purchase the product from their website, and the purchase link is in the description. Right now, they're giving a 12% discount during the spring promotion. With so many positive reviews, I can't wait to try them out. The color pencils are stored in this bright orange metal tin box. My first impression is that they look really vibrant, but I can't really tell much without further testing. They are sitting nicely on this black color tray. I can lift the tray up easily to access the second layer of the color pencils. The tray keeps them in place and well organized. These are the overall look of the 72 colors. And now let's take a closer look on the body itself. The color pencil is well embossed with the name and the logo. And the other side of the color pencil shows the light fastness and the name of the color. The color pencils have gone through rigid testing on light fastness. This means that the color of your artwork can retain its vibrancy over time. The top is well covered, unlike some color pencils which have some exposing lead. So let's take a look at the pointed end. It is well pre-sharpened and resistant to breakage. On the sleeve itself, it mentions some of the good points of the color pencils, which is good light fastness, soft core, artist quality, and saturated colors. And in the back, you'll find all the 72 colors with the color code. While I was preparing to do all the swatching, I was wondering, where is the swatching card? I was caught by surprise that the swatching card is printed inside the sleeve. So all you have to do is to tear it apart, or you can use a penknife to cut it through. I feel this is an awesome idea to print both sides to reduce wastage and also to reduce production cost. And now I'm going to do a swatching test for all the 72 colors. Swatching is actually a testing process to see how it turns out on paper. And of course, it is unfair to give my full opinion at this stage. And I believe that in order to push the color pencils to its fullest potential, I have to work on a bigger area. I find they are a bit more creamier than other artist grade color pencils. Because of the smoothness of the texture, it can be great for shading and blending. I feel the color pencils are more towards the wax base. So far, I like the blues and reds, and they did offer quite a wide selection of greys and browns. Now I'm going to test on the blending with the red and orange. The intersection looks so smooth. The next test can be one of my favorites, that is to test on black paper. And this test is to see how opaque are they. And does it still remain as vibrancy as on white paper? Well, so far I'm impressed. So right now I'm going to do some erasing test. This is an important process because sometimes I wanted to remove some unwanted details, or there are times when I wanted to create some texture. I can see that there is not much issue on this. Sharpening is easy, and you just make a few turns to make it a sharp point. There are times where I like to use white gel pens over on black surface. I feel the white gel ink glide quite smoothly over on the surface. I think I have done enough minor testing over on these color pencils. And now let's put all these color pencils to the real test. The day I'm going to create this art is to draw Lady Gaga using these Woomer color pencils. So let's get started. So now I'm focusing to draw Lady Gaga's eyes first. So my normal process is to use any brown to create the outlines and then slowly working on the details. I don't have a strict rules to follow using a specific colors. As long as it can be quite close to the photo reference in front of you, then I feel that's okay. Right now, I'm trying to use different colors to slowly building up the layers. I can feel that because of the soft core, it makes the blending so good. Besides using the common peach or pink for the skin, I'm also trying to use other colors, for example orange or light yellow, and sometimes even brown. This can make the subject more interesting by adding in more dynamic colors. I'm not sure if I have mentioned before, if you're starting out as a beginner artist, try to get a bigger set, for example 48 or 72 colors. I think that will be good enough for you to do some interesting effect. At this point, I find that this color pencil set is really smooth to work on. Some of the artist grade color pencils will give the kind of a chalky feelings when you just try out on the smooth paper. However, this set gives me a total different experience working on this one. I am excited to say that this set is quite close to Prisma Premier. If you work with Prisma Premier color before, you know that they are buttery. And that is why Prisma Premier colors requires a lot of sharpening when I'm doing the project. Coming back to this Woomer brand color pencils, it somehow gives me the kind of a clean look. I really like the choices of colors in this set. I hope to justify Lady Gaga's look in this drawing. Expression can be quite hard to tackle, it just need a lot of practice. I feel this color pencil set has given me a totally different perspective on how I want to achieve on the skin tones. Like most other color pencils, it allows say maybe maximum 3 layers before you can no longer layers anymore because they will have some white patches on it. I think this is quite common for most of the color pencils. I love art supplies that give me stable result because I believe you do not want to receive any bad surprises for working on a project. Getting something like these high quality color pencils can be a game changer when it comes to portrait drawing. Ultimately, you want to have a better controls on the details and smoother blending and layering. Another thing that I noticed was that the durability of the lead itself. They don't need constant sharpening, which saves a lot of times and material. For a start, I'll be using these 4 colors to slowly building up the colors of the hairs. Along the way, I'll be adding a tint of green to show some highlights. In my personal opinion, what makes a great difference between the student grade color pencils and artist grade is that artist grade color pencils will give a more polished and professional finish. Most of the time, I trust my process and I hope that the art supply that I'm using can help me to achieve the result that I want. Working on blonde color hairs can be quite challenging at times. You need to be extra careful in not applying too much colors at one go. Some of the portion are intentionally leaving white. If you're interested to get this set for yourself or for your friends as a gift, I just want to repeat again that they're having some promotion on their website with a 12% discount. Do check them out. Besides color pencils, they have other art products, for example, acrylic markers and watercolors that you can choose. For this drawing, I try to use as much color as I can so that I can show you the vibrancy of the colors. I have decided to add this colorful iguana in front of a body. I hope that you enjoyed the color pencil review so far. Last but not least, I'd like to say a big thank you to the Woomer Art team for sending me these color pencils.
Bad romance. I want your love and I want your revenge. You and me could write a bad romance. I want your love and all your love's revenge. You and me could write a bad romance. Caught in a bad romance. Caught in a bad romance. I want your horror, I want your design, 'cause you're a criminal as long as you're mine. I want your love, 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 I want your love. I want your psycho, your vertigo stick, while you admire a window, baby, you're sick. I want your love, 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 I want your love. You know that I want you, and you know that I need you. I want that bad, you bad romance.